Customizing your equipment prices in any currency with Specifi Organiser is easy. First, go to the Pricelists tab and create a new price list. This will create new columns for your custom prices. Next, export your product list as an Excel file. Open the file and enter your prices in the new columns in your desired currency. Once you're done, go back to Specifi Organiser, click Import, and upload your updated Excel document. Your prices will automatically populate the new price list fields. To see your changes, go to the Specifi eCatalog and switch the price list setting to the one you added. Your custom prices will now appear seamlessly. With this new feature, managing multi-currency catalogs has never been easier.